Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice square root problem, which is the square root of 15 plus square root of 5 divided by square root of 20 raised to power 9. Now, solution from here, we can express square root of 15 as square root of 5 times 3 plus square root of 5 divided by square root of 20, which we can express as square root of 5 times 4. All of this raised to power 9. Now, the second step here, we have that the square root of 5 times 3, this is in the form of square root of a times b, which we can express as square root of a times square root of b. So applying this property, then here we have square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 3 plus square root of 5 divided by square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 4, all this raised to power 9. Now, from here, you see that the square root of 5 is common here, so we can factor out square root of 5, so that now here in the bracket we'll have square root of 3 plus 1 divided by square root of 4, this is the same thing as 2, then square root of 5, everything here raised to power 9. The next step here is to simplify square root of 5, so that now here we have square root of 3 plus 1 divided by 2. Everything here raised to power 9. Now, the next step from here, we can just say let x be given as square root of 3 plus 1 over 2. So essentially here, this denotes that this is the same thing as x to power 9. So what is x to power 9? So let's proceed from here. So we have this x is equal to square root of 3 plus 1 over 2. So let's multiply both signs by 2. So that now here we have 2x. This is equal to square root of 3 plus 1. So let's simplify here. Now, from what we have here, let's take 1 on the left hand side. So that here we have 2x subtract 1. This is equal to square root of 3. So the next step here is to square both sides. Let's square both sides. And you find that 2x minus 1 squared, this is in the form of a minus b squared, which we can express as a squared. So we have that 2x minus 1 raised to power 2. This is in the form of a minus b squared, which we can express as a squared plus b squared subtract 2 times a times b. So applying this algebraic identity, then here we have 2x squared, which is 4x to power 2, subtract. Now here we'll have 2 times 2x times 1, then plus 1. This is equal to, now square root of 3 squared. This essentially means we eliminate the square root sign, so this is equal to 3. So here we have 4x squared, subtract 2x times 2, this is 4x, subtract 4x plus 1, this is equal to 3. Now from here, we can take minus 4x plus 1 on the right hand side, so that here we have 4x to power 2, this is equal to 3 plus 4x minus 1. So here we have 4x squared, this is equal to 3 minus 1, this is 2 plus 4x. So now from here, we have 4x squared, and this we can express as, now you find that 2 is common here, so we can factor out 2, so that here, this is the same thing as 2x plus 1. So let's proceed. We have 4x squared is equal to 2. We factored 2. 2 is common here, so we have 2x plus 1. So we can express this as well as 2 times 2 x squared, this is equal to 2, into the parentheses, 2x plus 1. So let's divide both signs here by 2, so that now 2x squared, this is equal to 2x plus 1. So let's call this equation 2. So here we have equation 1. Equation 1 here, it's square root of 3 plus 1 divided by 2, which is the x value. Now the next step from here, let's proceed here. We have 2x squared. Again we square here, then plus 2x plus 1 squared. So 2x squared, this is the same thing as 2 squared times x to the power 2 raised to the power 2. This is equal to 2x squared. This is the same thing as 4x to the power 2. Then plus, we have 2 times 2x times 1. This is 4x plus 1. So this implies here we have 4x to the power 4. This is equal to 4x to the power 2 plus 4x plus 1. So here we have 4x to the power 4. This is equal to, we can express 4x to the power 2 as 2 times 2x to the power 2 plus 4x plus 1. Now, we have that 2x squared is equation 2, actually is equation 2, which is 2x plus 1. So let's substitute that, so that we have 4x to the power 4. This is equal to 2 multiplied by 2x plus 1 plus 4x plus 1. So here we have 4x to the power 4. This is equal to 2x times 2, this is 4x, plus 1 times 2, this is 2, plus 4x, then plus 1. So this implies that 4x to the power 4, this is equal to 4x plus 4x, this is 8x plus 2 plus 1, this is 3. So this is what is 4x to the power 4. So let's proceed from here. We have 4x to the power 4. We square. Then this is equal to 8x plus 3 squared. So 8x plus 3 squared, this is in the form of a plus b squared, which we can express as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So applying this algebraic identity, then here we have 4 squared, which is 16, x to the power 8. This is equal to, now we have 8x squared plus 2 times 8x multiplied by 3, then plus 3 squared, which is equal to 9. So 16x to the power 8, this is equal to, now 8x squared, this is the same thing as, this is 64x to the power 2, plus, this is now, we have this as 2 times 8x, this is 16 times 3, this is 48x plus 9. Now, from here, we have 16x to the power 8. This is equal to, now we can express 64x to the power 2 as 32 times 2x to the power 2 plus 48x plus 9. Now, from here, we have 16x to the power 8. This is equal to, now 2x to the power 2. This is the same thing as equation 2, which is equal to 2x plus 1. So let's substitute this. So we'll have that 2 multiplied by 2x plus 1 plus 48x plus 9. So here we have 16x to the power 8. This is equal to 32 times 2x. This is 64x plus 32 times 1. This is 32 plus 48x, then plus 9. So here we have 16x to the power 8. This is equal to, now we have 64x plus 48x. This is equal to 112x plus 32 plus 9. This is equal to 41. The next step here, we need to get x to the power 9. We are solving for x to the power 9. So here we'll have 16x to the power 8 times x. This is equal to 112x plus 41 multiplying by x. So that now, this is actually in the form of 8 to the power n times 8 to the power m, which we can express as 8 to the power n plus m. So this is x to the power 1. So that here we have 16x to the power 8 plus 1, this is 9, and this is equal to 112. Now we have 112x here, so we'll have 112x to the power 2 plus 41x. Now here we have 16x to the power 9. This is equal to 112x to the power 2 plus 41x. Now we can express this as 16x to the power 9. This is equal to 112x squared can be expressed as 56 times 2x to the power 2 plus 41x. But if you recall, x to the power 2, that is 2x to the power 2. This is the same thing as 2x plus 1. Now, let's substitute this here. So that now we have 16x to the power 9. This is equal to, now we have 56 multiplying by 2x plus 1 plus 41x. So essentially here we have 16x to the power 9. This is equal to 56 times 2x. This is 112x plus 56 times 1. This is 56 plus 41x. So here we have 16x to the power 9. This is equal to, now we have 112x plus 41x. So this essentially implies that we have 153x plus 56. Okay? Now, but if you recall, we end that x is equal to square root of 3 plus 1 divided by 2. That is from equation 1, which we have here. X is square root of 3 plus 1 divided by 2. So let's substitute this. So now we have 16 multiplying by square root of 3 plus 1 over 2. Everything here raised to the power 9. This is equal to 153 multiplying by x, which is square root of 3 plus 1 over 2, then plus 56. Now here we have 16 multiplying by square root of 3 plus 1 over 2 raised to the power 9. This is equal to 153 multiplying by square root of 3 plus 1 over 2 plus 56. Now this is equal to, now 153 times square root of 3, this is 153 square root of 3 plus 153 times 1, this is 153, then over 2 plus 56. So 56 is a whole number, so this is over 1. So that now the LCM here is equal to 2. So here we have 16. Into the bracket we have square root of 3 plus 1 over 2. Everything raised to the power 9. So 2 divided by 2 here is 1. So here we'll have 153 square root of 3 plus 153. Then plus 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times 56, this is 112. So here we have 16 into the parentheses square root of 3 plus 1 over 2 raised to the power 9. This is equal to, now we have 153 plus 112. So that now here we have 153 square root of 3 plus 153 plus 112. This is 265. Everything here divided by 2. But now we have 16 here. So this means we multiply both sides by 1 over 16 and also here by 1 over 16. So 16 and 16 simplifies here. So that now we have square root of 3 plus 1 over 2 raised to power 9. This will be equal to 153 square root of 3 plus 265 divided by 16 times 2, which is 32. And this is the solution to this square root math problem. This is the solution. So thank you for watching. Kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.